Windows elevation. A collection of parametric windows to draw on your elevations and sections. Commands are on a dialog box to make your selection easier. Select window from list or slide. Select window type and pick draw. All windows are drawn on a doors layer by following steps. Touch a reference point, upper left or right corner, lintel. Give direction where to draw the window. Specify distance from reference point, type width, and height of the window. Some commands have extra parameters and options to give more flexibility to your windows. Always read command prompt to give correct dimensions and options. Try out all types to see how easy it is to draw complicated windows, especially for scales 1 to 100 or 1 to 50. Last window with all its parameters is set as default, so that pressing enter, you draw multiple windows of the same type.